Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip, and today we're going to be talking about a key price level for Bitcoin and a channel that I've been looking at that I want to show you guys a little bit about, and so you can understand what might happen to Bitcoin next this week. Some other news that's coming up in the next 2 weeks, there will be more CPI data, which will give us another indication of how the US is doing fighting inflation. And of course, that means everything for the crypto markets and the traditional markets as well. We've been tracking the S&P 500 on the channel as well, looking for a breakout there, of course, on Bitcoin as well, and we're really looking good, folks. So let's show you what I'm talking about here. Let's get into the content. If you like this content, smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel. 5 videos a day, every day for you, and when we hit 10,000 subscribers, we're giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin to one lucky subscriber, so subscribe right now. Check out the market cap, guys, at $1.06 trillion, which is great to see. Bitcoin dominance is down slightly, but you know what? Obviously, we have got a lot of money that has inflowed into Bitcoin lately. If you do look at the overall market cap, you know, first of all, Bitcoin's market cap is about 450 billion right now. You look at the last month, from the beginning of the month to today, you know, market cap's gone up about 300 billion. Bitcoin took almost 100 billion of that market cap, of course. So we're waiting to see, you know, if Bitcoin can continue its breakout. Ethereum's holding strong, though, above 1,600. Binance and these altcoins are really holding their price as well. Atom and Chainlink and all these different projects are looking really strong right now. But, you know, guys, we had a very bullish January. So could we continue this momentum to the upside? And some people are saying, you know, yes. So far, and it's so funny how these articles are saying February slump. Like, we're just getting started. We're like 5 days into the month, and so it's not really a slump at all. Nothing goes straight up, you know, but I'll show you guys, I think, what we're kind of caught into. And I am bullish, and here's why. Looking back at Bitcoin here, and this kind of goes all the way back to the beginning of January, but we started running up. This was like the first ceiling that we hit here in January. So there was a channel, we kind of bounced to the top of it, bottom of it, top of it, bottom of it, and then eventually we just absolutely broke up. This was leading up to the Fed coming out and then starting to talk about whether they're going to raise the interest rates. And then so you had that news come out here later in the month, which is right here. Now, after that news, it was buy the rumor, right? Sell the news. Now you can see the new channel that we're in, and we're trading right now between like 24,000 and a half roughly to, you know, on the low end, 22,750. And it does look, folks, it does look, in fact, like we did get a significant bounce here potentially. So this is what I'm going to be keeping an eye on over the next day or so. Again, this channel has proven to be very, very strong, but we had a very big moment today, you know, and this was a key indicator, you know, are we going to continue bullish in this month? And we got to kind of wait to see. First of all, this candle needs to confirm, and we need to continue upside. And then what we'll need to do is we'll need to retest here at about $24,500 and look for that breakout. If we zoom out just a little bit and we start looking for the breakout point, it really is going to be around that 25,200 level. But keep in mind, guys, you know, there's the same kind of channel, you know, right over here when you look at it, right? So this is something that I think it looks like we're in. So do keep in mind, folks, this could always happen, right? There's going to be several of these moments as we try to determine, you know, are we breaking out? And I do believe, guys, that there is a chance that we do break up to the $30,000 level in the month of February here. And you know, a couple reasons. One, the release for the consumer price index will be coming out here on February 14th. Okay, so this will be the January data. That will be released on February 14th in just over a week. And this can usually cause, as long as the data is good, and it has been lately, and inflation's getting better, this can definitely cause some upward movement for Bitcoin. So keep an eye on that. That's a very interesting event. And then also remember, guys, you know, January was a 40% pump. You look back at the history, and these are all the months in the history of Bitcoin for every single year going back to 2013. We almost had a record month in January. At one point, it was up to 45%. And then you look at this, you know, it's not unlikely that you could get 1, 2, 3, 4 bullish months in a row. You know, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. You can see usually if you get one, you get a couple. Now, here's an exception. Here's an exception. This is a green month followed by red months. Again, this was into a bear market though, so this all makes sense. But typically, you know, you're going to many times not just get one green month in a row. When Bitcoin gets momentum, it gets a lot of momentum, and hundreds of billions of dollars flow into it. And if it gets momentum to the downside, same thing. So be on the lookout, guys. You know, of course, if we do break down below these levels that we've been looking at, if we do break down below here, you know, don't be afraid, guys. We could come bouncing back around $20,000 again, you know, maybe even around like $19,500. So could certainly happen, guys. But I am feeling bullish this week. I'm feeling pretty good. The fact that we did hit the bottom of that channel looks very, very good, and I'm looking for a move to the upside. So would be a great time to open up a leveraged long. If you guys are into leverage trading, please, guys, trade responsibly. This is not for beginning traders, okay? But if you do want to open up a leverage trade, you can do so in the link in the description down below. We got $8,000 sign-up bonus when you do deposit a certain amount of money into BitGet, so check that out. We're also giving a loaded line away at 25,000 subscribers on the channel, currently worth about $1,900 right now, so don't miss out on that. And if you do become a member on the channel and do decide to join the Crypto Report team, then you will get additional entries towards giveaways and badges next to your name, and special emojis during our live streams on Tuesdays and Thursdays at 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Guys, that's all I got. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Be on the lookout for that $22,750 price level for Bitcoin this week. Be on the lookout as we come up to February 14th for the CPI data. And that's all I got, guys. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, you got to remember, folks, to DCA, HODL, and of course, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much, everybody. I got 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. Peace.